How to make QQ account. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, open up any browser. Here I'm going for Google Chrome. Here search for QQ account and you'll be able to see the option of QQ registration. So just tap on that. And over here, the home page will look something like this. So you just have to mention your nickname over here. It could be anything. Then mention your password that you want to set. So after setting up your password, you just have to mention your phone number. So just mention your country as well. So I'm gonna mention my phone number with the country code. So after that, you just have to tap on send and it will send you a verification code on your mobile number that you've associated with this one. Now you just have to go for the verification process. So just tap on different images and tap to verify. It might take a while, but just complete the verification process. So after verifying, you just have to go to your mobile QQ to register. So you just have to download this QQ mobile application and scan the QR code and you'll be able to register your account in the application. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today. See you next time.